Hey guys, so this is Mr. Ansudis. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to access some of the work that you have for my class. And so first thing, you're going to click right here, Idea Runberg 7th grade, and you're going to go to Mr. Ansudis. And this is where you guys saw the work. You guys saw today's work. I'm going to show you guys how to access the following work. It's going to be a little different. You're still going to come to this website right here, this page, but it's going to look a little different. So you're gonna notice it's gonna look something like this. So again, same thing, but it's gonna, the date changes, and I have new instructions. First thing you gotta do is watch the YouTube video, right? You gotta read the instructions, watch the YouTube video. So I'm gonna click on the YouTube video, see where it takes me. It's gonna take me to this. So this is the web page that I'm gonna watch. Sorry, the YouTube video I'm gonna watch, and then takes about 2 minutes. That should be pretty much it. Some of you guys have heard that are having trouble watching the videos, so it's very simple, guys. All you gotta do is search for this name right here. So you can copy, go to YouTube, paste it, and it should work, or you can just kind of write it down. Now, this is how it should look for you. Give me 1 minute here. This is what it should look like. Again, you have this. Now, in some cases, you can see this little button that says see more. You're going to be able to see a little bit more. Here, I added the assignments, and I added your notes for this day, right? And so first, I obviously want to see my notes so I can actually work on my assignment. So you're going to go here. A lot of people are having trouble with this. So there's a couple things. If I click it, it's going to open up where I can read it. But I can't write anything, right? So I can click my keyboard and nothing happens to it. So in this case, I really just want to read, and so that's fine. But if I want to write on it, you see these three little dots right here? I'm going to click the three little dots. Those three little dots are very important. Once I click them, I have three options, actually four. I'm not going to download. I'm not going to open it in SharePoint. You guys don't even know what SharePoint is. And then there's only really two options that I have: open in desktop and open in browser. The easiest thing is to open in browser. So you click on browser and you can actually see, yours is going to look a little different, but you can see all these things, right? That's the easiest way to do this. Now, the second thing you can do is, I'm going to close this so we can see the other way you can do this. You can also see the same three little dots. I can do the same thing over here. I can open it in my desktop app. So if I open it in my desktop app, I gotta open in Word. Yep, it's gonna ask you permission. Say yes. Then it should open in something that looks something like this. It's trying to find it on my computer. It's gonna look something like this. And then boom, you're gonna open it. But I have to have the app for this to actually work. If I don't have the app, it's not gonna work. And if you're a mobile user, that means you're using your phone, then all you gotta do is go to the App Store and Google the word literally word, like this, WORD, and you gotta get it, and then you'll be able to open these up on your phone. And you're gonna be doing the same thing. Open on app or open on browser. This is your options. Third thing you got is this assignment. So I'm going to click on the assignment. It's going to take me here, view assignment. This is what I got to click. Once I click on view assignment, see, some of you guys might get mistakes. It's totally okay. I'm going to click that refresh button up here because sometimes things happen. And so if you're getting a problem or you're getting anything, just click refresh and it should take you back to where you were. And then boom, see, now it popped open. And so here is the worksheet. So I'm going to click worksheet. This is what I got to do. And again, I'm clicking these three little dots and I'm clicking open in Word Online. If it doesn't say Word Online, it says browser, same thing. I'm going to click it. Yeah, so once you click it, this is what you get. And because you're doing this online, all you got to do is click File, Save As, Save. And then you should always try to save it on your computer. Don't try to do this. It's always going to ask me because it's logged in, but it's going to ask you to save it somewhere else. Choose a file, choose your system. If you're doing it on Apple, choose your phone as the option. It's gonna save. Then you're gonna go back. You're gonna go back to this, and then you're gonna click Add Work. Again, I would put upload from this device because that's where you saved it. Click on the work, whatever work it is you have. Click Open. When you click Open, it should start loading over here. In fact, let me do it real quick so you guys can see how it would actually look. Open, let's say click here, see how it's loading, and then I would press Done. Once I click Done, it's going to attach, and then I can click Turn In, and then I would be done for that. But that's all you're pretty much doing. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to send me a message, question, task. You can send me a message here on chat. You can click chat, and then you can easily find me. All right. If you have, again, any questions, let me know.